Come on, ladies, smile. It's Carnival. Yes, that's it. Yes, that's the one, man. I really serious face, man. You know, with a face like this, you know, like let's just smile. You know?
They're tired. That's why.
Of course, but I know. You know the thing with this float. You know, when you walk down it, you know, it drain you out. You know, drain you out. You know.
Yeah.
It literally drain the energy out of you, man. I know it's hard, you know. Lot of Barbados.
Yeah, I think so. That's Barbados.
Yeah, it's Barbados, right? I've been to that country already.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's alright. It's very nice.
I've never been.
Yeah, Barbados is very, very nice. I would definitely go Barbados again, you know. Yes, enjoy your lunch. That's it. Eat up, you know. Keep eating. Yeah.
Wow. Everybody ready? Wow.
Welcome to you, coming up the road.
Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy everybody, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. You got such amazing color in it. Look at that. You know? Oh, Ate, Maserati. To discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. Man. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.